to actually get there. You see, so this slideshow automatically comes to have if you don't act quickly, so you act quickly. So it works exactly the same way you want to meditate on the scriptures. So there are different forms of meditation, of different parts of meditation's levels, as I can say, or as I've been taught. So you want to mutter. There's something called muttering, where you speak below your voice and you don't speak that loud, so or that, yeah, it's not that loud. So no begotten. So for example, no begotten, born of God, no one born begotten of God, deliberately knowing and habitually practices sin, for God's nature abides in him. His principle of life, the divine sperm, remains permanently within him, and he cannot practice in him because he is born begotten of God. 1 John 3 verse 9 amplified. So if I want to mutter it, I will say, so I'll get a confession out of this, a personal confession. Okay, so now let me get my personal confession. So this is part of meditation. So no one I'm born of God. I cannot deliberately, knowingly, and habitually practicing, for God's nature abides in me. His principle of life, the divine sperm, remains permanently within me, and I cannot practice it because I am born begotten of God. Right? So here's the confession, simple confession I cannot sin. So to mutter it means you speak it low, your speaking voice. So you keep on saying it. And then another level of meditation is when you speak it like you're speaking, talking to a normal person. So you say, I cannot sin, and then you can roar it. That means when you shout, roaring is actually shouting the scripture. So I cannot sin. So you say it loudly. I won't say it loudly because I'm in a room, of course. Okay, so those are 3 levels of meditation. So yeah, and as you meditate on it, you need to visualize. So you need to think of yourself being superior to sin, because you're born of God, born of the Heavenly Father, born of the Father of glory. You cannot sin, so you need to visualize it. You need to see yourself living above sin, right? And according to James 5 verse 16, it says how Elijah prayed fervently. According to MPC version, he prayed fervently for rain, but not for it not to rain, did not rain. So you need to also put your emotions into meditation, but I won't get into detail about that. Anyway, so you can also actually make the screen full screen by clicking on those 2 arrows over there. You can press the exit to escape on your, you can press the escape button on your keyboard to escape, or you can just hit the top like that, hit the top and then press the exit button there. Alright, so I'm going to close this window.